Happy Vlogmas Day 13, which means we are officially more than halfway done with Vlogmas. Maybe until next year's Vlogmas, because I haven't posted vlogs since then. Actually, I did, but I privated them. Maybe someday I'll unprivate them. To be determined. Ugh, the physical labor sagas continue. But I get to see Mia today, so we have some advent calendar content. I'm ready. Yay, I haven't seen her in 2 days. Okay, here's Mia's outfit.
Fit check. I got my Dorothy shoes on. Dorothy.
Movie version, because in the book the shoes are silver.
And then I got my holiday sweater on. And then just black on black.
I'm Big Bird.
Sexy Big Bird.
Mia, where are we about to go? Yes.
Dim sum. I don't know what it's called.
Yummy House.
Yummy House.
What do you think? You like it? This is fried sticky pork dumpling. So it's a little bit sweet on the outside and then nice and savory inside. Here's the inside. This one, the soup dumpling. Yeah, ginger and pork dumpling, and then pork shumai, shrimp and pork shumai. I think he said mushroom too, right? Her dumpling just did her dumpling just did a somersault on this table. Yes, it's recording you. I'm laughing at the chopstick holding placement.
What? What's wrong? No, I actually did this on purpose because I'm trying to create a hole for some soy sauce. Oh, what was that chopstick placement? Yeah, that's what I thought.
Eat your soy sauce. I need to figure out if I even want to keep talking to you. You're still ugly. Homemade rice noodle with XO sauce. Okay, quality. There's the camera. Cheers.
I will say, there is a red flag.
What happened?
He played the national anthem.
But was he being funny?
Yeah, he thinks it's funny, but I literally look at him and I'm like, you make me want to die every time you play this. It's like the worst version of it too. It's like there's like literal trumpets and stuff in it. I'm like, literally stop. People will like scream and like it's a little
because they're so upset.
No, they'll scream the national anthem.
I gotta go.
Exactly.
Crime scenes where they outline the body.
Like barely in it. Yeah. Your head. Oh. Okay. We look like Elmo and Big Bird.
I was gonna say I love you. That's Barney.
Classic. Down in Sesame Street, right?
I don't know. I was afraid of Sesame Street.
Big Bird. It's okay.
Oh, it's so
really get into it. Today we're doing 2.
Christmas song challenge.
Interesting. Okay, what are the instructions?
Can you identify the well-known Christmas song based on the first letters of each word in the first line of the song?
Oh, okay. We're given the first letter of the words of the song.
Okay.
So this one is DTTSIAOHOS. Why is there a space between the two? Because I was imagining like if it was like Here Comes Santa Claus, HCSC, right? Where's the box?
I think I might be thinking about this differently than you. So this is supposed to be the first line of the song. Deck the
Sauls. DTTS. T-I. I'm wondering why there's a space. I don't want a lot for Christmas. Okay, so that is it.
I don't want a lot for Christmas.
There's just one thing I need. Okay, so that is what it is.
Mariah.
We're so smart.
So then this
However,
deck. No.
Don't talk to me.
I don't think that's it. You better watch out. You better not cry.
Good job. Oh, what about Jingle Bells? Next, pass. LC. Last Christmas,
I gave you my heart, but the very next day
you gave it away. Jolly old Saint Nicholas, and nope, it's not that one. Sleigh bell, nope.
I can't say I know that one.
Oh, where's the I Saw Mommy Kissing Santa Claus?
I'm just trying to think of the first lines of the songs because I feel like I'm singing all the choruses. What's your mean one?
Mr. Grinch.
Deck the.
Okay. How about...
I think we need to create a clip of how many times I say deck the. I'm dreaming of a white Christmas.
Wow, that was good. Okay, yes.
Just like the.
Dreaming of a deck. Wait, did you say...
I want to know how many times we've said it so far.
Somewhere over the rain.
I'm trying to think of other Christmas songs. Why am I blanking?
Here, we're gonna show you the answer. Don't look at the screen.
I'm not looking. Also, I think it's so blurry.
What are those
Now.
Justin Bieber songs you know?
See, I don't think they're that woke.
Slay. Sorry. Oops. Sorry.
You keep going right on the
The
fat.
second time was on purpose. Saint Nick, Hungry Now. Am I Cured?
What's the one? Old Saint Nick.
I actually also didn't grow up in this country hearing these songs, so.
Oh, run, reindeer. The fans will know what I'm saying.
Comment below if you know what she's saying, because I don't.
Is that
We are
right?
so dumb. If I tell you this word, how about I just hum it and then you'll know? I'll just hum the first part.
Silent.
Yes! Why did that work?
Oh.
You got that from.
Because as soon as you started to go, I looked down and I go, we're so stupid. I knew it immediately. And then you start, I wasn't even listening to you, I'll be honest. It's like, oh, the one that I actually sing it, that we sing in church on Christmas.
Oh my gosh, my fun fact, I can sing Silent Night in Japanese and German. Hoshiwa hikari.
Ooh.
I can do German. Stille Nacht. Heilige Nacht. I'm not trying to be funny. I can't do that. Nacht.
I can't do that.
Nacht.
What are these?
Disposable shoe covers. Oh my gosh, we should wear them.
Like, do you think these will clean my floors at home?
Last Christmas, Kyle came to my house for a Christmas party. He didn't want to take his shoes off, so I made him wear shoe covers. But isn't that so smart?
You look like an elf. They look like clogs.
You don't want to put them on?
Ooh, haul.
Are these
the
expired?
new limited edition Jordans.
Oh, the back of my head looks
The back of your head is ridiculous.
The back of my head looks ridiculous. Definitely a star. Is my armpit sweat showing? Sorry.
We're not gonna lose any this time.
Okay, there should be 7 in total.
This definitely goes like that. This is definitely a little one.
Go Mia.
It's this one that I don't know where to put. And this bottom is also giving, it's the second big one down here.
I don't think that would be possible, actually.
I see where you're going with them.
Solution? Did you see it?
No. Is this right?
That's right. Yeah, those two are right. Mm-hmm.
That's right.
Uh-huh. Yes. Oh, I think that is right. Yeah. Did you do it?
That's
You
good.
did it!
That's
She
good.
did it! You did it!
I did one for one.
Yay! Time for Advent Calendar Day 8.
Hey, chat. The Mary puzzle. Can you separate? Why do I have to keep trying to separate things?
Maybe I'll be 3 for 3 for going like this.
So I'm loosening it up for you. I have a
on back.
method, but I don't think it's gonna work. Because I feel like it needs to go in between here, but it doesn't fit.
It's Friday.
Where's my dad?
You
all
did it!
alone.
Yay! She conquered the medal. Going up close.
And get it? Because it's an M. That's the only reason.
Okay.
Oh. I'll start to work on this tangram for us.
Do that tangram. Do it and then don't tell me what it is.
You're definitely gonna do what
That means it's an ornament.
No. I don't know what it was, but I'm figuring it out.
Let's see. I think we've already done a Christmas tree.
I think
Jingle bell. I'm so sorry. Are you okay? Did that?
No, it just scared me.
Oh my god.
This is gonna throw me for a loop, actually.
Jingle all the way. What could it be that you think that I would be able to guess it immediately? Not a fairy. Stocking. She didn't say no.
I did say no.
That is so dramatic. I love it. Is that a flamingo?
It's a bird. It's a turkey.
A turk?
I thought it was a bird.
I just saw
of some
spit
sort.
fly out over that way. I'm so sorry. It says it's literally a turkey.
It's the Christmas turkey.
It's a Christmas turkey.
But like, how is that so big with so many moving parts?
Rhombus.
That's giving trapezoid. Right?
Mm-hmm.
Who knew I would ever need to remember these shapes?
Geometry, baby.
Like, is this not the square sticking out? No, because it has to connect somehow. This is too much. This is too much for 4 hours of sleep.
Go Mia. Oh, and I love the way your nails match your whole outfit. She really did that.
Is that right? I don't think it is.
Very close. Ooh. That square is correct. Rhombus is correct.
My turkey's falling apart.
It's the shaky hands.
My grandpa likes to tell a story about how they caught a turkey for Thanksgiving one time and they cut off the head, but the body still kept running around the basement.
Oh, that happens with chickens. There was a chicken that lived like, I can't remember how many years, maybe 1 year when its head was cut off.
That's still not right.
The rhombus is correct. But yeah, that turkey lived 1 year with its head cut off because it's like jugular, is that what, or carotid, something, was still alive. And then it died by choking on a kernel of corn that got stuck. Yeah, chicken lore. That chicken ran around with its head cut off for a year. Ta-da! Gobble, gobble. Ow, my lower back.
Cracking.
I need to do the baby pose.
Happy baby? This is what we do.
I think you just spit in my mouth. It's fine. It's fine.
Imagine if someone
I locked the door. When should we do our bullet journal stuff?
my neck.
Well, you know what's wrong with mine. Wow. My turn. Do your thing.
You have to go like go like this. And you put your weight. Wait, you said
Yeah, that one.
this or like this?
I think when your knees are on the backs of your elbows. Yeah. Oh. Oh, oh
I
no.
don't want to go forward. Oh no.
Did I run over your heel?
I'm stuck.
She's stuck. Love the sounds. Ah, look how beautiful it is up here. Is her car still here? Yes. Does she have a ticket? No. This is interesting. Bye, Mia. Should this be the end of my vlog for today? I think it might be kind of long. Bye, Vlogmas Day 13. That was so good.